Bible na tambal ng lifespan sa tao sa kalibutan is 3, 4, and 10 years. And Tito Benji right now, he have reached 70 years. And the next day, give nila sa Ginoo sa iya. So, good evening everyone, and I request our birthday celebrant to please come up to stage and to sit. No, there is share your good people. No, let us give a round of applause, please, after the birthday celebrant. Hindi ba ang putos dito to anong programa dahil hindi niya mamamuyot lang tarag magkaon kag mag-celebrate. No? So sige, as we start this birthday celebration with Tito, let me say good evening everyone. Today we come together with grateful hearts as we celebrate the life of someone very dear to us. Someone called Mas Maynila, Tito, friend, and just being happy, we give thanks to God for the gift of life, for His grace that sustains us each day. And for the many blessings He has poured out, not just on Tito, but on all of us through Him. Tito, we thank you for your life. We thank God for it. Your love for your family, your quiet strength, and your faith that inspires us. You may not always be the loudest voice in the room, but your presence speaks volumes. You are steady, example of humility, generosity, and thank you for that. On this special day, we celebrate you and the journey that has led you through. We also look forward with faith and hope, knowing that the Lord who has brought you this far will continue to guide and bless you in the years to come. So, with hearts full of gratitude, let us now take this time to sing first a birthday song for Tito. Pagpaano yun ang pagkaliw ko sa drama yung nabulos to please lift up the candles sa iyong cake diri. Kaya makakita tayo sa birthday song for him. And after this, Tito will blow all the candles sa iyong cake and we will pray for him. Okay? May request ko buddy? Mga hinablos? Okay, thank you.
Ano sa kayo na bloso ah?
Wala na rin na